Hi guys, Happy New Year. I wish I was there to start the school year off with you. I should be back in a couple of days. Meanwhile, we're going to have just some little review lessons this week. One of them is today's lesson, which is reviewing action verbs, linking verbs, and auxiliary verbs. Remember, if you can do it, it's an action verb. Explode, scream, sneeze, type, kick. These words are showing action. This is what, when we're parsing our sentences and we're looking to create our compound and complex sentences, action verbs are a strong part of these sentences. So, for example, because of the spicy Jamaican pepper, Robbie reached for a glass of iced tea. Okay? Reaching is something that Robbie can do, happily if his mouth is on fire. Madeline stuffed her pockets with acorns. Stuffing is something that Madeline can do. Therefore, reached and stuffed are our action verbs. Sorry, I left my stylus at school. All right, so those are action. Auxiliary verbs. So auxiliary verbs, we also think of them as helping verbs. They are used in sentences to help the main verb express action. They often give us the state of being of the subject, and they tell us many times if it's the present tense or the past tense or the future tense. And occasionally, the helping verb can serve as the main action verb itself. So let's look at some examples. So here's some auxiliary verbs. Soon, Jake will eat organic chocolate broccoli muffins. Yum. Well, will and eat is the action verb or the verb part of our sentence. Will is our auxiliary verb. Okay, and eat is our action verb. And so together they give us a tense. It's something that's going to happen in the future. Carolina should, that's our auxiliary verb. I'm going to use an X. That'll make it easier. Grow is our action verb. Carolina should grow broccoli in the backyard. Again, this is giving us tense. So it's telling us it's something that should happen in the future. Here's a different example. Sierra has 12 dogs at home. Well, has is working by itself. It is an auxiliary verb, but because it's the only verb, it's actually expressing the action. So it's the main verb. These are oftentimes the ones we miss because they just don't seem like they're serving as action. Isabella did her homework every day. Again, it's the only verb in the sentence, and we have to look carefully for these. So it is the auxiliary verb, also serves as the main verb. Linking verbs. These are the ones we struggle with the most, but I've come up with a little tip that I stole from Mr. Pleshko to help you remember. Linking verbs don't express action. Instead, they connect the subject of the verb to additional information about the subject. And I have a little trick for you. If you can say that the subject equals the information about the subject, then the verb is a linking verb. Let me show you. Allie is a big reader. All right, so here's one of our tricky ones. Remember, guys, that let me find a fun color. Okay, there's our green. All right, so Allie is a big reader. Is our verb. If we can say Allie equals a big reader, which we can, that's what the sentence is saying, then is serves as a linking verb. Another one, Gian appears really fast when he runs. Okay, appears is our verb. Can we say that Gian equals really fast? Is that what does really fast describe Gian? Gian equals really fast? Well, yeah. So that means that appears is a linking verb. Let's look at this one. The pizza tasted delicious. Okay, tasted is our verb. Does delicious equal pizza? Yes, the pizza equals delicious, so tasted is our linking verb. But let's look at this case. Sophia tasted the delicious pizza. Again, here's tasted. It is the verb, but are we saying that Sophia, which is our subject, are we saying that Sophia equals delicious? No, we're not. We're still saying that the pizza's delicious. So in this case, tasted works as an action verb. One last one. Nicole should be happy that school has started again. Should and be are the verb part of the sentence. If happy describes Nicole, and if we can say that Nicole equals happy, which we can because she is, then should be is a linking verb. All right. Mrs. Dodds has a handout that you guys are going to practice to review the 3 types of verbs. You can work with a partner. And I really miss you guys, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.